Guys, really, are you ready to quit? Discover the why behind your journey. Quitting something can be one of the most challenging decisions we ever make. Whether it's quitting a bad habit, a toxic relationship, a dead-end job, or simply letting go of something that no longer serves us, the choice to quit requires deep self-reflection and courage. It's not easy to let go of something familiar, even if we know it's not good for us. But what if I told you that understanding the why behind your decision to quit could make the process easier and more rewarding? What if, by uncovering your true motivations, you could find the strength to take that leap of faith and embrace a new beginning? In my own journey of quitting things that no longer served me, I discovered the power of understanding my why. I realized that without a strong reason driving my decision, I would be more likely to falter and give in to temptation. But by digging deep and uncovering the underlying motivations behind my desire to quit, I found the determination and resolve to see it through. So let me ask you, are you ready to quit? Are you ready to let go of whatever is holding you back and embrace a new chapter in your life? If the answer is yes, then it's time to start exploring the why behind your journey. The first step in this process is to identify what it is that you want to quit. Is it a bad habit like smoking or overeating? Is it a toxic relationship that is draining your energy and happiness? Is it a job that no longer fulfills you and leaves you feeling unfulfilled? Whatever it is, be clear about what you want to let go of. Next, ask yourself why you want to quit. What is driving this desire for change? Are you tired of feeling unhealthy and out of shape? Are you fed up with the constant drama and negativity in your relationship? Are you longing for a career that aligns with your passions and values? Understanding your motivations is crucial to sustaining your commitment to quitting. Once you've identified your why, it's time to set goals and create a plan of action. Break down your journey into small, achievable steps that will help you progress towards your ultimate goal. Celebrate each milestone along the way and keep reminding yourself of why you started this journey in the first place. Remember, quitting is not a sign of weakness, but rather a demonstration of strength and courage. It takes bravery to let go of what is familiar and step into the unknown. And by understanding the why behind your decision to quit, you will find the motivation and resilience to see it through. So, are you ready to quit? Are you ready to discover the why behind your journey and embrace a new beginning? The choice is yours. Embrace change, trust in your inner strength, and let go of whatever is holding you back. Your future self will thank you for it.